Have you ever wanted to learn Photoshop but thought it was too complex to learn? Well, this short tutorial was designed with you in mind. This training module is part 1 of a multi-part series on Photoshop Essentials Made Easy. In this tutorial, I will use wraps to showcase several principles of the 3 most essential concepts that you would need to learn in Photoshop: selections, masks, and layers. If you master these 3 concepts, you are only limited by your imagination and what you can do with greater ease and without having to resort to other resources to accomplish any task in Photoshop. Share this video with your family, your friends, your enemies, your co-workers, your neighbors, your in-laws, and your outlaws. This statement brings us to rule number 2 of masks. Wrap it with me now. Black conceals, white reveals.
Black conceals, white reveal. Black conceals, white reveal. Black conceals, white reveal. Black conceals, white reveal.
When creating most mask types in Photoshop, the golden rule you may have learned in many books or training is black conceals and white reveals. However, the problem for most beginners is, what is the it that it conceals or reveals? Well, it depends upon the type of mask that is being applied. In this training module, I will discuss the layer mask, which is one of the easiest and most used of over half a dozen types of masks in Photoshop. So using the current project, press the eye icon on the blank layer to hide that layer. Click the picture frame layer, press the add layer mask icon at the bottom of the layers panel to add a layer mask to the selected layer, and let the magic begin. Now you can see the image of the beautiful lady below the picture frame layer. Notice the selected area became white and the non-selected area became black on the layer mask thumbnail in the layers panel. Now note on the canvas, the black areas of the mask conceal the portion of the image pixels, making them transparent, denoted by the checkerboard pattern, so that those pixels are hit to reveal pixels of the underlying layer, whereas the white area of the thumbnail mask reveals a portion of the image pixel, making them opaque so that those pixels are seen. Since the bottom layer was made into a smart object, you can easily switch out the image without doing all of the steps that was done earlier again. Right-click the background layer and select Replace Content from the menu. In the Replace File dialog box that appears, navigate to an image and then click the Place button. Press Command and Control plus T and scale and position the image to fit the picture frame as desired. Press the Enter or Return key or double-click the image to commit the transformation. That was wow. Spell it backwards. Wow. In closing, you have learned several vital principles of selection, mask, and layers from wraps. Moreover, you learned 3 golden rules of selection, mask, and layers. Practice these techniques on your projects, and in no time, you too will be wrapping the golden rule of all 3 golden rules of selection, mask, and layers. The selection, mask, or layer that is selected is the only one that gets affected. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, share, and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more video like this one. Click the link below for a free copy of my ebook. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And remember the rap, the more you learn, the more you may earn.